To know back. Actually, I've owned the car just a little over a year. Bought it from an 86-year-old gentleman here last May 5th, a year ago. He'd had it for 24 years. He bought it from an 86-year-old man 24 years earlier who had it for 14 years. And he bought it from a fellow in Texas that's done a restoration on it to its original state. And when I bought it a year ago, it was in the original state, but been restored. Since then I think I drove 4,700 miles last summer. Got a feel for it, decided what I was going to do, and then come around September, I went to Frankenmuth, went to Kalamazoo, and when I got back, I gutted it. I took it all apart in September. I had it all lined up.
Tell me what you did to the engine compartment.
The engine is the original 283 engine. It's a poured 125 over to a 301 4-inch bore. That's 10-to-1 compression. Brand new pistons, brand new rods. It was a forged steel crank, all balanced rotating assembly. Roller camshaft, roller rockers, fuel injected, rack and pinion steering. All new upper lower control arms. Put air conditioning on it. Awesome. It's all new power windows. I put all the power windows on it. Vent windows and everything are powered.
Tell me about the interior.
Interior? That's John Wagner, a fellow who I met early last summer. I talked to him the first time I seen him. I handed him $1,000 because I want you to do my interior. I knew what he was capable of. And I had him tied in from about probably by early September. I had him tied in for March. And I met my obligation by March, and I handed it off to him, and he'd done the interior. He'd been to my place a couple times. We kind of done some fittings, and he'd been inside the car. He crawled in it last summer, the middle of summer. He crawled in it and started sketching what he's going on in his mind, and come up with the console and all that stuff. What he wanted to do. I told him I wanted the console. That's pretty much it.
Thank you.